As your web design business grows, complexity grows with it. More clients, more tasks, more moving parts. Without systems in place, you will hit bottlenecks fast and risk burnout or a messy client experience. In this lesson, I will walk you through how to build simple systems and SOPs, standard operating procedures, that help you scale with clarity, consistency, and calm. Step 1. Think like a business, not a freelancer. Freelancers improvise, businesses document. If you want to grow past the do-it-all-yourself phase, you need repeatable processes. Ask yourself, what do I do more than once, and how can I simplify it? Step 2. Create a central operations hub. Use a single tool like Notion, ClickUp, or Trello to organize your business. Include client onboarding checklist, proposal and contract templates, project timelines, and launch checklists. Maintenance logs, SOPs for major tasks. If someone joined your team tomorrow, could they work without asking dozens of questions? That is your goal. Step 3. Write simple SOPs. An SOP is a step-by-step guide for completing a task. Example, how to launch a website. 1. Run final QA checklist. 2. Connect domain and hosting. 3. Submit sitemap to Google. 4. Setup analytics. 5. Notify client of launch. Record a Loom video or write the steps. Keep it clear and accessible. Step 4. Automate what you repeat often. If a task is done more than twice, consider automation. Automate. Proposal creation with Bonsai or PandaDoc. Payments via Stripe or PayPal. Monthly reports using ManageWP or MainWP. Task triggers through Zapier or Make. Let tech handle the routine so you focus on creativity and growth. Step 5. Build feedback loops. Systems are never perfect. Review monthly. What worked? What slowed you down? Where can you improve? Keep your SOPs up to date and get feedback from your team. Step 6. Delegate with confidence. Systems give you freedom. They make delegation easy. With clear processes, you can hand off tasks to freelancers, assistants, project managers, junior designers. You do not just grow faster, you grow better. Scaling is not about doing more. It is about doing better with support systems that work. In the next and final lesson, we will map out your long-term direction, whether you are building a solo studio or growing into a full agency.